don't know anything about fishing, guys. No, nothing at all. This is what I'm using. I don't know. It's a rooster tail. It's shiny gold. It spins. All I know is that this might catch trout. I don't know about anything else like that. Is that what carp are attracted to as well? Or redfin? I don't know. There should be a few fish in here. Not many though. So I'm kind of just paddling out towards the middle and then letting the wind blow me back towards the edges. I don't want to be too close to the edges because there's a lot of fallen trees and stuff in here. Don't want to spike the kayak. Don't want to get snagged and have to try and get the lure back and then spike the kayak. So I'm kind of keeping away from all the trees, which is probably where the fish want to live, but I'd rather not catch fish than put a hole in the kayak. If anyone watching this knows a thing or two about fishing, maybe leave some tips down below. Doesn't have to be for trout or anything. It can be for whatever fish. Probably by the time that you guys see this, I won't have much more opportunities to do trout fishing, so it'll probably be river systems in New South Wales or Queensland. I guess some salt water, but nothing like, probably nothing off the beach, because I'm only going to be carrying this rod. I'm not going to be carrying anything big enough to do beach fishing. I think currently on here I've got 6 pound mono. It's either 6 or 8, I can't remember. But the guy at the fishing shop in Tasmania, this is all he said I needed. Said I didn't need leader or anything. I guess that'll change when I fish different species. But I've only got a small reel, and I think this is a 2 to 4 or a 3 to 5 rod. I can't. 2 to 4. There you go. It says right there. 2 to 4 kilo rod. So I was just chilling out, thinking about going for another fish. So I just did a bit of looking to see what else is around this area, because a lot of people are pulling up and like going for walks. Now I know there's obviously a mountain behind me, so people are probably walking up that, which I can't really be bothered doing. But I had a look around and apparently there's some waterfalls up here. I don't think I can get close to them, but it's a good few k's walk, get some photos, maybe fly the drone out there. Something to pass the time, I guess. So that's what we're about to do. We're going to find these waterfalls. Okay, the mountain cobbler track's actually pretty short. It's only 4 k's. Not as far as I thought. I actually haven't looked at this hut yet either. I'm surprised no one's used that wood with all the people that have been staying here the last couple of days. But it is good that they've left it, you know, that way someone who really needs it, if they come stay here, can use it. Just try to figure out where to go. There's no sign, but I'm thinking that maybe it's down here. And there is a bit of a trail here, so we'll find out if I walk for an hour and I'm not there yet. Definitely not much of a path to follow. We're kind of just doing some bushwalking and hoping we're on the right path. It's getting harder and harder to follow. This might be nothing. It's very, very overgrown, and this stream is very well dried up. I have no idea where I am, but look where I popped out. I don't know if this is where I was meant to go. There's definitely some kind of fall with bugger all water in it. Man. Very dry waterfall. This would be sick if it was pumping with water. This isn't where I thought I was going to be though. That was way too quick to get here. Oh, I'm sorry if that audio was bad. I realised my microphone was off. Now, this isn't the end. This is Little Delegate Falls. Little Delegate? Little... No. Dandongadale. That's a... yeah. So this is Little Dandongadale Falls. Not the ones I was originally planning on going to. So we're going to walk back out of here and try and find the other trail somewhere. Let's go this way. As you can see, the path just disappears. No, I can't walk through that. I'll go back the way I came. Let's go see if there's a path uphill. There is. Let's follow this up. It's definitely just a bit of a bush bash through here. Kind of got to find your own way. There's a little bit of a path, but not really. You're going to make our way down some rocks. As you can see, it is not the easiest path. Oh, well, I think we made it to the falls, and it's obviously really dry. This would at some point all be underwater and flowing through here, but not right now. Currently it's just one tiny little stream. That's pretty cool, but how cool is that? Look at it just carve its way into the rock. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Wow. How awesome is that? So there's obviously a massive fall right there. Wow. That's insane. Now I did see on Wiki Camps, oh, be over there. I think is there people over there? Hi. There's a lookout. Not this rock, but way over there, there's a road. I'm actually getting splashed with water up here. That water's getting blown back up to me. There's a road way over there. That is a lookout for these falls. Try and wander up here a little bit. Have a look. Think of how much water has to come down here for all of that driftwood to show up. Like this would absolutely pump at the right time. You could probably sit in there and have a little swim. It's not very deep, but you could sit in it. Look at this, all this is just carved out by water. Imagine that, that's just getting, when this is flowing, it's just coming in there, around there, and then just flying into that wall there and carving that side out. Look at that. This is insane. If only there was a way down there. We could look over that waterfall. Alright, so for anyone that does get out here to Lake Cobbler and wants to go check out that waterfall, who knows, maybe it will be better for you and it will have a lot of water flowing. Here's how you find it. This is the road in, okay, and there's a campsite on the right here, and it's just down there. You just follow down there, go across the first river, keep going uphill. You'll find the tracks going uphill, and that'll get you there. If that first river's full of water, I don't know what you'd do. You'd probably just have to wade across it, because sometimes it would obviously have water in it. Or there might be another way around where it's a bit of an easier cross. The hut is just there, so it's the campsite immediately before the hut, before you get to this big open car park. Whoa, it's cold. That is actually freezing. Whew. I didn't think it'd be that cold. Oh my god. Like I was hot after that walk, but this is bloody cold. Apparently it is possible for this lake to freeze in the winter. So that might give you an idea of how cold this can be. Oh, that's actually so much better though. Oh man. It's like an ice bath, you know? Over where my camp is, I can't get in the water like this. My area is just full of tree branches and rocks and reeds like that. So it's not very swimmable. Whereas, I don't know, this maybe used to be a boat ramp or something. So it's quite sandy right here and easy to get in. But far out, it's cold. Well, it's about 4:30. I'm going to head out here for another attempt at a fish. It's a bit chilly, especially if you're not in that sun. Bloody mint out here right now. Kind of wish I brought my hat instead of my jumper, because that sun's nice. Now I just need to catch a fish. To be fair, if I catch one, I'm going to get it to the kayak and not know what to do with the bloody thing. What do I do with it once I get it in the kayak? Huh. The whole end of my rod just flew off. What the fuck? Can't. That's twice that this rod's done that to me. That's messed up, man. Why does it do that? Push it on there as hard as I can. And I don't take it apart. It stays together all the time. Oh, it's funny. Well, the sun has just gone behind the mountain over there. No wind. It is dead calm out here. It's nice. I've even just stopped fishing for the last 10 or so minutes and just enjoying sitting out here, to be honest. Alright, well, that's going to conclude our fishing for today. 6 o'clock now. Sun's going to start going away soon. Well, I should say the light's going to start going away soon. sun's already gone. Let's get this out of the water and start a fire. So now I just need to wait a little bit, get this fire going enough so I can heat up some dinner on it, and that'll be us for the night. Chill here, read a book. Alright, so last night I made a burrito, but I just made some extra so I could reheat it tonight and not really have to cook again. So this is just some rice, some beef mince, chilies, onion, cream cheese and some hot sauce. Slap all this in a wrap. Oh no, I've lost my handle. I don't want to leave that on there though. I'm just going to try and heat the wrap up on the fire real quick. That'll do. Nice. It needs more heat, so we're going with some more hot sauce. Good little burrito. Alright, so this morning we are on the move again. It's about time I started heading back towards Melbourne. So we're backtracking a bit. We're heading back along the exact roads we just came across the other day. We're going to go to Mount Buller. I've never been to Mount Buller before, and I thought, why not? It's kind of on the way back to Melbourne. Might as well stop in there and have a look. Bit of a ghost town here at the moment, isn't it? I want to see what these ski fields are all about. Alright, well, we've come this far. We might as well make the walk up to the summit. Alright, let's go for a little wander. 900 metres return. Should we make a contribution? Make a contribution to the rock tower. You're going to put this one right here. Boom. Just the thing, you can't even see where I started, what, three videos ago? It's just mountains between here and there. Those mountains there look awesome. They've just got like a a cliff face on them. They look cool. All right, now we go up there to the summit. Well, what a better place to end this one than on the top of Mount Buller. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna head back to Melbourne, pick up my dog Freya. I'm sure she's been missing me. I've been missing her a bit too. I'm not sure where we're gonna end up next. This is as far as I've planned. So make sure you come back and find out where we go next.